So this is the tactical multifunction Tomahawk axe for outdoor survival. The blade is a high carbon steel, really nice quality, made for outdoor, water resistance, rust resistance. It's about 15-inch in length. We could chop stuff like firewood and all that. We could dig, we could split, we could open some bears, we could open some bolts and nuts. We could even hammer stuff if we need to. We could chop all our woods and logs. Listen, this is making it the ultimate survival tool. Whether you're hiking, whether you're gonna fishing, camping, outdoor, or you just want a collection. If you're looking for a good collection, this is a double pair for a cheap, affordable price. And the quality, I'm telling you, it's real nice. Now, I'm not gonna be chopping anything with this because I'm keeping this as a collection. Listen, if you're looking to give somebody the perfect gift, this is the perfect gift right here. And I love it. I love all the multi-function feature we could do from this. Instead, both of them comes with a cover for the blade, which is highly recommend if you're not going to use it right away. And all you got to do is one Velcro strap, and right there, both of them come like this. Listen, this thing, I love it. I'm going to tell you something. If you're looking to give anybody a gift, or you're looking to go outdoor, don't just get a regular axe. Get a tactical multi-purpose axe like this. I love the handle over here with all the groove. It gives you a nice grip. It comes with a rope, so we could tie the rope and also put it around our hand. It's an affordable price for both of them. Good quality, made well, and it's more than just a tool. It's a survival tactical tool.